Have you ever wondered why your mouth feels all tingly and weird after eating a bunch of pineapple? It's not just you, and your mouth isn't suddenly developing a weird allergy. There's actually a fascinating scientific reason behind that prickly, sometimes even burning sensation. It's all thanks to a powerful group of enzymes in pineapple called bromelain. So, what exactly is bromelain? Think of it as a team of microscopic protein-destroying ninjas. These enzymes are proteases, which means their job is to break down proteins. This is actually a defense mechanism for the pineapple plant in the wild. It helps deter pests from munching on it. When you eat pineapple, these enzymes get to work inside your mouth. The surface of your tongue, your cheeks, and your gums are all coated in a protective layer of mucus, which is made of, you guessed it, proteins. The bromelain in the pineapple starts breaking down these protective proteins in your mouth. It's literally digesting the surface layer of your tongue. That's what causes that raw, tender, and sometimes painful feeling. It's like your tongue is getting a tiny, tiny bit digested by the fruit you're eating. I know it sounds a little horrifying, but don't worry, it's not actually dangerous. Your mouth is incredibly resilient and heals very quickly. The cells in your mouth lining regenerate so fast that by the time you've finished your snack, the healing process has already begun. Interestingly, this very same enzyme, bromelain, is what makes pineapple such a fantastic meat tenderizer. If you've ever used pineapple juice in a marinade for steak or pork, you've seen bromelain in action. It breaks down the tough protein fibers in the meat, making it much more tender and juicy. The process is exactly the same, just happening to the steak instead of your tongue. It's also why you can't put fresh pineapple in Jell-O. The bromelain will break down the gelatin, which is a protein called collagen, and your dessert will never set. It will just stay a soupy mess. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so I have to give up fresh pineapple forever. Absolutely not. There are several ways to enjoy this delicious tropical fruit without turning your tongue into a battlefield. The easiest trick is to apply heat. Cooking or grilling pineapple denatures the bromelain enzymes. This means the heat changes their shape and deactivates them. That's why canned pineapple or grilled pineapple slices don't cause that burning sensation. The canning process involves heating the fruit, which effectively neutralizes the enzymes. Another popular trick is to soak your freshly cut pineapple in salt water. The salt helps to draw out some of the juice containing the bromelain and can also help to deactivate the enzymes to a certain degree. Just a quick soak for a few minutes before rinsing should do the trick. Some people also swear by eating pineapple with dairy, like yogurt or cottage cheese. The idea is that the bromelain will have another protein to attack, the casein in the dairy, giving your tongue a bit of a break. It's also worth noting that the core of the pineapple contains the highest concentration of bromelain. So, if you're particularly sensitive, make sure you're cutting away the tough, fibrous core and just eating the sweeter, fleshier parts of the fruit. The ripeness of the pineapple can also play a role. A less ripe pineapple tends to have more active bromelain than a fully ripened one. But here's the thing. Bromelain isn't all bad. In fact, it's studied for a lot of potential health benefits. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, which is why people take bromelain supplements to help with joint pain, swelling from injuries, and even digestive issues. It can help your body break down proteins more efficiently in your digestive tract, potentially reducing bloating and indigestion. So, that same enzyme that feels like it is attacking your mouth is actually being investigated for its ability to help your body heal and function better. Some studies suggest it can help with sinusitis by reducing swelling in the nasal passages, and it might even have some anti-cancer properties, though much more research is needed there. It is pretty amazing that a fruit's natural defense mechanism can have so many different effects on our bodies. So, to recap, the burning sensation you get from pineapple is caused by the enzyme bromelain. which is a protease that breaks down the proteins on the surface of your tongue. It's essentially digesting a tiny bit of your mouth. But your mouth heals super fast, so it's not a cause for alarm. If you want to avoid the burn, you can cook your pineapple, soak it in salt water, or pair it with dairy. And remember that this powerful enzyme, bromelain, is also a potent anti-inflammatory with a host of potential health benefits. Next time you feel that tingle when you eat fresh pineapple, you can think of it as a little science experiment happening right inside your mouth. It's just the pineapple's protein-busting ninjas doing their job. It's a small price to pay for such a delicious and healthy treat. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun science facts.